In this video, we will learn how the refrigeration cycle works, and we will also discuss each component one by one. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos. This is the refrigeration cycle. Let's understand each part one by one. This is a compressor. Low-pressure refrigerant gas enters the compressor. The compressor compresses the gas, making it hotter and increasing its pressure. The high-pressure, high-temperature refrigerant then flows to the condenser. This is a condenser. Hot refrigerant enters the condenser coils. The fan blows air across the fins and removes heat from the refrigerant. As the heat is removed, the refrigerant cools down and flows to the next component. This is a filter dryer. The filter dryer keeps the refrigerant clean. It removes moisture, dirt, and small particles to help protect the air conditioning system. This is a capillary tube. The capillary tube controls the flow of refrigerant. As the refrigerant passes through this narrow tube, its pressure drops and it becomes much colder. This is an evaporator. The blower fan draws warm, room air across the evaporator coils. As the air passes over the coils, the refrigerant inside absorbs heat from the air. The cooled air is then blown back into the room. This process repeats continuously, removing heat from the room and providing a steady flow of cool, comfortable air. Thanks for watching this video.